Welcome back to part 2 of the big silage harvest in field 3. Now we should be able to finish it in this video, hopefully. And you can see all these sort of showing off the speed in JCB, getting ahead a little bit. You need to go over to the right a bit more. That's right. Yeah, showing off speed in that in JCB, karting. Because you're too far over to the left, Ollie, you need to be a bit, because it's an extra long pipe, Ollie. Edward. Go on, Ollie. It's on cruise control. I just had it on cruise control, I couldn't be able to take it off cruise control. Must be about quarter full now, Ollie, that trailer. Must be about quarter full. So yeah, we've got about, I don't know, a little triangle-ish shape here, and a triangle-ish shape on the other side. So we should be able to finish it in this video. And then we should be able to get a lot of money from it. Once it's all fermented, once we sold it, once it's fermented, it'll be, well, quite a bit of money. Yeah, I know, field 1, yeah, we'll do that as well. Don't worry. Don't worry, Ollie, I've got this all planned out. But I'm just saying, field 1 might be another video. This is the forage harvesting field 1. Silage from field 1. Sort of. What, you can get hurt by the car? So... Oi! You speedy JCB! This thing's only slow. This is only slow, like you're doing... Whoa! 9 miles an hour. Ollie, what are you doing? You're warming up tyres there. Just warming up tyres there. Alright, Ollie, you might, well, lose me a little bit on this corner because it's a tight corner. You may as well just, like, move out of the way while I turn around. Sort of got stuff out. There we go. Try and turn that corner. Steering's not tight enough. We'll just carry on to this little bit up here. Ollie, I cannot go that quick. It'll only do 9 miles an hour. Top speed of 25 miles an hour. If I didn't have it on, if you didn't have the harvester turned on, top speed is 25 miles an hour. Still like half the speed. Like a third of the speed of what your JCB can do. It's only a third of what that can do. Well done, Will. Well done. Oh, he's swapping over. Oh yeah, and zoom camera up. Alright, are we gonna go around this corner, or are we just gonna carry on to the other little triangle bit that's on the other side of the field? I guess we're just carrying on. Alright. Good plan. See you in a minute. I'll just get ready. I'll wait here while you spin around. And I'll sort of spin around myself. Oh my god, Ollie, that thing's pulling away. Ollie, this is with the throttle. This is with the accelerator right down. This is with my foot to the floor. And it won't go as quick as that forage harvester. I'm not even joking, this is actually foot flat to the floor. Ollie, that just but it was actually struggling up that hill. That forage harvester's totally left it standing, unfortunately. I'm not even joking. It's 3/4 of the way full at the moment. Whoops. Very true. Do you start off with something like a pickaxe or an axe in it? Well, alright. And I guess it still start with something. Alright. So it sells an armor. %90 full now. Hopefully it will last the rest of this field, Ollie, hopefully. Hopefully I won't have to unload it for the end of the field. Yeah, I'm just trying to spin this thing around at the moment. It's not got tight, it's steering ever. Alright, you can go. Alright, you spin round now. Spin round at the same time. On foot flat to the floor. In a JCB fast track, foot flat to the floor, and it wouldn't get above 8 mph then. This is a good thing for our harvesters. I just turned that corner there, and the pipe kept on shooting it into the trailer. Let's try and spin this around. Alright, start going again. It will slowly, eventually turn that pipe. Alright. And I guess it is. %96%, Ollie, so it will just about last the rest of the harvest. Just about, 'cause it's this last bit here. That was actually done pretty well. I'll let it, right. I'll go empty this. Ollie, this is foot flat to the floor. It won't go above 12 mph because it's up this little hill. Why? Oh my god. Is that the sheep in here? Yeah, it is. Ollie, if you want, we can mow the sheep field Just down there where I'm stood, Ollie. We can mow the sheep field, because the sheep field's way overgrown, Ollie. I just thought if you're on the bay. It's down right next to the farm. I just thought then, if we do get sheep, at least it's, well, tidy. I'll stay here so you know where it is. Alright, I was just waiting to show you where it was. Yeah, it's just in there. I just then thought if we do get sheep, at least it'll be, well, at least we'll actually be able to see them. Because at the moment, well, you won't be able to see them, will you? It's way too long. Now wait a minute, Ollie, and then I'll go alongside you. Well, you can just do it for a bit if you want. You can start doing it, I mean, I don't mind. Oh god. Are we gonna have to get a header trailer to just get it through the gate? Oh, you're joking me. Is there another way into that field, Ollie? Wait, there's no other way into it, Ollie. Into that field, unfortunately. Alright. Good. I was gonna say there must be some other way that we can get in there. Carbide ammo. I wear that skin all the time. Well, most of the time anyway. It's actually not. It's actually decent skin. Yeah. What do you mean when trucks with trailers on? Oh, on the pickup trucks with trailers on. Oh yeah, because you might be able to put the header on the pickup trailer. Yeah, I was gonna say yeah, put it on the car trailer that are attached to the pickups. Ollie, do you want to push on through the night, or do you want to go to sleep and then carry on? Alright. Good fun. Alright, I'm just bringing JCB to the airfield. Alright, I'll now bring the pickup forward. Yeah, and I'm just bringing it forward. There you go, you should be able to get past it now. And I'll take it back in it. Can you get past it? Don't we move? Oh. I'll just park it there so you can easily get it. Yeah, I'll take it back to the farm in a minute. I'll just literally put it there so then you can get the header off and start mowing. I'll take it back to the farm, literally, like, as soon as you got that header off, I'll take it back to the farm. Alright, do you want me to take it back to the farm? Do you want me to take it back? Alright. Oi! Alright, you take it back then. Oh, you're on sleep, alright. Alright then. I'll switch the lights off and that.